Are you crazy? Because I know we are, and this is Cardfight Crazy. I am Joey.
I am Jacob.
And third match. Yeah, the first one took an hour and a half. Second one took just under an hour. This is some actual premium, like some real premium.
Jack.
One back. I'm playing Nova Grapplers. Royal Paladin boosted by the Child Act. There we go.
Machinings.
Yeah.
Machinings are nice in this format.
Yep. My hand is not good, how you say. Oh yeah, not good, that's how you say it, yeah. It's about as good as the original G season. So terrible.
What is?
My hand. 9. Alright, I'm going first. Good luck. Stand up grind.
Stand up the Vanguard. Machining Vanguard.
Ride and unride, draw one. Pass.
I draw. I ride Machining Cricket and Bagworm pulls back. Swing for 12.
No guard.
Check for a drive trigger. Draw trigger. 5,000 the Vanguard. I draw.
Damage check, Flogel, 10k to Vanguard, and a crit.
This is gonna make. That's one thing that's going to make this match a little difficult.
Yeah. Ride, Blaster Blade. Oh
no.
Alright, that's call on Night Squire Allen. Allen skill, call, and I draw, and we'll call, and we will call.
You gonna search for an Ultimile?
Nope, we'll swing 17k 2 crit at Van.
I'd love to guard this, but my hand just says no. No guard.
Alright, check, draw trigger, power there, plus 10, and a draw.
Damage check. Oh, trigger.
We will go 19k.
Damage check. No trigger.
And okay, now 19k from there.
I took that.
2 crit.
Oh, right, yeah. Damage check. All effects of hand.
And 21.
22.
Alright. Yes.
Stand and draw. Ride the Vanguard. Dive Beetle. Call.
Alright.
Call. Skill. Paralyze.
Okay.
$11.
I will block that.
Put in.
No guard.
Check. No trigger.
Damage check. Heal trigger. Power. No heal.
Good.
Draw. He is stunned.
Yes, he is. I don't want that thing going off when you're already hitting 10k triggers. Let's drop more cards in my hand. Then I can't do anything about it. Oh, Blaster Blado.
Skill to retire.
Oh, and you didn't even ride.
No. Told you my hand was bad.
Ooh.
17k 2 crit at Van.
And my hand is just as bad. I can't guard that.
Crit. Power.
Check. All. Game.
Game. Yup. Your hand was bad in a different way.
I would have been okay had Blaster Blade not been 2 crit for 2 turns in a row.
And he was boosted.
Yeah, that hurts. That really hurt.
And he was boosted. You gotta get that boost on there if you actually want to use that crit.
Yeah.
And that was a time where I wasn't just putting on the crit for show. Now that time I was like, oh shit, I needed that crit. I need that crit. I need to pull the Aichi.
I couldn't guard. If I could have gotten to my grade 3, get my 10k in a crit, I would have been okay.
Yeah.
But I couldn't do it. Did not have the hand. Damage check in the PG actually I think hurt more than anything else.
I can understand that.
Well, for machining, even with premium hits, we're not going to be using draw trigger PGs when our premium support hits because it's not a machining card. I keep
I definitely do not. 3 back.
Sure.
Who's going first?
You will go first.
Okay.
I don't like the new Spark Hercules, especially for premium. For standard, that's what bugs do. It's a different bugs.
Yeah.
But
Okay, draw. Ride and draw. Pass.
draw. Ride. Vanguard skill first. I have a Machining in the Soul, so it gains 3k. Then Bagworm skill, I pull Bagworm back. I like that really makes a difference in this situation. 15.
Alright.
Drive check. That would have made a difference.
Alright. Ride Blaster Blade Spirito. Still do one of him in the deck.
Vanguard.
10. He's an extra Blaster Blade target. Crit all.
Check 1. Leaf A. Check 2. Draw trigger. 5,000 my Vanguard, I draw. I stand and draw.
Alright.
I ride Dive Beetle. I call Hornet. There is a Machining in the Soul, so it becomes a 10k.
Yep.
10k at Spirit.
Block.
14k at Spirit.
Never.
Check. No trigger.
Damage check. Wingle Ute. Ride. Alfred Early. Imaginary gift. We didn't even see it in the first game.
Oh.
Force. Call. Tarna. Activate skill.
That's another thing I don't like about taking control out, is that you can't always, is that sometimes you'll end it on 2s because everyone just heavy rushes, and I don't like playing a game like that.
Superior Ride. Alfred Early.
Oh god. That's right, it doesn't have to be the original Alfred, it can be any Alfred.
Yep.
I forgot, that's why Tarna's so good.
Yeah. Imaginary gift. Force. And plus 5k to Alfred Early. And we'll swing 23k Van.
I don't guard.
Twin drive. Check 1. Check 2. Power. I heal.
Damage check, critical trigger. Power to Vanguard, critical to Vanguard.
24k Vanguard.
I'll just take it. Power to Vanguard, I draw.
And pass.
I stand and draw. Cards in hand.
7.
I ride Machining Beat Atlas. I'll pitch Spark Hercules to Stride. Into Machining Despot. On Stride skill. Superior Call as Rest. Plus 0 because I don't have Machining Soul anymore. Call. Skill.
Stun 2. Oh. For the camera, it always looks better to know that.
$18.
I will G-Gird. No skill.
26 man.
I will not guard.
Or 31 rather. Doesn't change anything.
No guard.
First check. Second check.
And third check.
Third check.
Damage. Blaster Bladle.
Do I? Nah. Actually, yes I will. Attack the rear guard anyway.
Gone.
End phase, I'll use my Vanguard Generation Break 2 skill.
Yeah.
Pop into Soul. Pop into... Yeah, pop into Soul. I draw 1. I countercharge 1.
And I stand and draw. I will ride Alfred Early. Imaginary gift. Force. My hand is so bad I'm putting it on the Vanguard.
Hi, Overlords.
Stride. Cancel out Peace Saber. 48k. Quad drive, counter charging crit.
We all knew that was coming.
Oh yeah. Check 1, check 2, shield trigger. Do not heal, give power here. Check 3, check 4. And I pass.
I stand and draw.
I'm officially out of Alfred early, aren't I?
I stride. You know, I could have used my PG to soul charge and get 10k boosters, but that doesn't really matter as much against.
I know, I have one more.
Actually, would have mattered here. Oh well. Whatever. Despot.
Mm-hmm.
On stride skill. Superior call. Despot skill.
Up. Stun the Lone Ranger. Alfred Early.
16.
He's all gung ho in his younger days. Power, no heal.
31.
Soul Blast and Nullify.
Check. First check. Second check crit. All effects to Mosquito Mach 2. Third check, no further triggers. 23 to crit. I can hit.
I'm an 18.
Okay, end phase I use my Vanguard as GB2.
Yep.
Tuck. Into soul. Draw 1. Countercharge 1. Need new sleeves.
Stand and draw. Enter main phase. Call Tarna.
Ah, you can get another Alfred now.
Superior Ride. The final Alfred Early. Imaginary gift. Force. Your hand is so big.
I mean, I've been stunning you for the last 4 turns, and you've still been able to attack me. So but I was able to limit the number of attacks.
Yeah, I had 1 attack.
That'll help, especially when I don't have 15k and 20k shields like you do.
Yeah. And I will add the force marker here, so we got something for everybody in the front row. Speaking of which, call Nicole.
Mm-hmm.
'26 at Van. Counterblast. Move to Soul. Search out a Blaster Blade. Oh. No, that dude is always annoying. So Counterblast 1, Soul Blast 1. Retire.
Okay.
Just my counterblasts don't really mean much right now, so oh well. 33.
Nullify the attack.
Twin drive. Check 1, blue. Check 2, blaster blade.
Activate the skill on my PG. I'm gonna soul charge.
Yep.
Ouch.
19k Van.
Blaster blade's gonna be 23 twice.
23 twice.
Guard.
23.
Guard.
Counterblast. Back to deck.
Guard. Cards in hand.
7.
Stand and draw. Stride. Despot. On stride. Superior call. This time I do have Machining in soul. Not the one I want, but I'll live.
That's there.
Plus 3s. You don't stand. Call. Skill my Vanguard. Counterblast. G-Blast. Stand, stand, stand.
Yep. Stun, stun, stun.
Yep. $19. $31. Yep.
We'll fly.
Triple drive. First check. Second check. Third check. Critical trigger. All effects. Which makes this 23-2 critical of Vanguard.
Which makes this a G-Guard. Into, you without skill. And counter. Apply my 2 heals and counter charge 1.
And phase GB2.
Another card in your hand. Alright, stand. Sure, that just means get rested. And draw. And ride.
Ah, we had another grade 3.
Master Blado Excedo. And stride. The question now is to stride into you or to stride into you. Counterblast and search. And a hand. Play back, call. Skill. Counterblast. Keep Persona Blast. Not that. Ditch that. Gain 3k. Twin drive.
Oh, you didn't use. Okay, cool.
No. I've no counterblasts. $46.
I don't have any more PGs in hand, and I don't have a G-Guard. No guard.
Crit power. Power.
Not a heal. Soul charging that heal hurt so much.
My twin drive, another exceed, and a card roll.
Well, if I had soul charge when I initially wanted to instead of forgetting, I would have actually hit the heal.
Yeah.
Which really would have helped me. So I completely misplayed that. Like, as soon as I realized I forgot to soul, I'm like, yeah.
2 Tarnus. That helped.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I was able to extend the game because I had that exceed in my hand that turn as well. But it was just like, once I ride exceed, I can't use Tarna anymore.
Right.
Because I have to have Alfred as Vanguard.
Yep.
So I'll just hope I hold out. The extra force marker.
Well, and the extra force marker, and then me missing that
Yep.
heal, that just those I think in conjunction with each other,
Yeah.
it's really pushed that game in your favor.
Game 2.
I think in my hand it's like 10k shield, 10k shield, 10k shield, and everything else is 5ks. Yeah, I can't guard everything. Now the blaster blade with twin drive.
Yep.
And all those 10k triggers.
Yeah, he would have been a 43k with twin drive.
And 2 crit.
And 2 crit.
Yeah, I need all that to guard for blaster blade.
Yep. Premium's weird, man.
Yeah, premium's weird.
But I've been enjoying it. Who's going first?
That's a good question. You go first again.
Okay, turn 3, show 1, 2, 3. Oh, man.
Not good.
Not good.
That mulligan really straightened my hand out. For the better.
I pretty much got back copies of what I put back.
Wait, didn't you just win both games too?
What?
Game 1 you beat me before you even hit grade 3.
Oh! This is a special game 3 because we're only 20 minutes in. I did. Yeah, we're only 20 minutes in. I could just end it right there, and that'd be a 20-minute video on our part. But you know what? Let's let Jacob get his heat back. I draw because I'm going first.
Yep.
I draw. I ride. I draw. That didn't help.
I draw. I ride. I swing for 12.
No
I
guard.
check. I get a crit. All van.
That didn't help. That didn't help. I don't ride Blaster Blade.
Yay!
And I swing for 9.
No you don't. Not this time. I don't really like early damage, but not in this format. I ride the Vanguard, I call, I swing for 11.
Guard.
I swing for 14.
No pass.
Check. No trigger.
Nine at van.
Guard.
Get exceed. Not what I wanted to see.
Call. 9.
Guard.
11.
Why did I guard that one? I should have taken that one.
Skill stand.
Yeah.
14.
Oh, good.
Check. No trigger. 9. Good.
Right exceed. Retire that boy. 11 at that boy. Drive.
And a draw. Still didn't draw it. I have to rely on that, and I don't like to. Stride. Can't wait for that new machining. So much better. Screw it. Overwhelm. I can't use overwhelm skill, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, you have no counterblasts.
I guess I'll go into destroyer. Doesn't really matter. Swing.
31?
Yeah. 31.
3. Not even
All. All. Nope.
Damn it. I wanted you to hit that.
That would have been really nice.
Stride. Seek out the blaster blade. Oh. Screw it. Get him.
Screw it. I want a shiny blaster blade.
Yeah. Call it. No. Call him. Call it. Draw 1. He gains 3. Call it. Call it.
Here. Why not?
Hey man. I'm at 5. You'll take me out in your next stride. Maybe. You'll get closer. 16.
Ah, there's Beat Atlas.
And there's a damage.
Yeah, it's not helpful in this juncture. I wanted the Beat Atlas more than the damage.
Let's swing.
No good.
26. Quad drive, check 1. Check 2. Check 3. Crit power. Check 4.
Check 1. Check 2. Crit. All van.
23.
16. Can I trigger again? Nope. Okay.
Counterblast. Back the deck. I think it would have been hilarious if you said no guard and then I pulled 4 crits.
That would make me very sad, because I couldn't break through on your last 3 to pass.
23.
No.
21.
No.
Alright, pass.
Stand and draw.
I have to heal because I'm out of damage. All 5 counterblasted.
Stride.
Alright.
Despot. Skill. Soul charge. Did I just pitch the wrong guy? Yes, I did. I wanted to pitch that. Call. Stun. Skill. Paralyze 4. 31. Yeah. I really need that extra trigger last turn. Check. You're late. All effects.
Keep trying to put my PGs.
23.
G-guard. Block. No skill. Skill of this though. 2, kind of charge 1. Draw. Stride. Go back. Call. Catalyst 1. Ditch. Give him 3K. And twin drive. 20 and twin drive. Twin drive. Check 1. Check 2.
No skills. No PG. Stand and draw cards now.
4.
Stride. No, I just can't stand because I used a skill last turn. $3K to itself. Vanguard skill.
Intercepts.
31.
Nullify.
Check. First, nothing. Second, heal trigger. That's helpful. You're at 5?
I'm at 5.
Still helpful. Power. $23.
26.
Pass.
Just draw. Alright, Alfred early. Negative force. $23 advan.
Generation guard. Morphosian skill plus 10,000 shield.
Drive. Pass.
Stand and draw. Ride, stride. Despot. Unstride. Let's get me some stuff. Get me something. Anything. Just the one. Plus 3K to itself. Vanguard skill. Let's go 19 man.
10K block.
Skill stand. Swing for 31.
Nullify.
Check for a drive trigger.
Yeah.
First, nothing. Second, heal trigger. Power here, no heal. Third, crit, all effects over here. 28 to critical. Pass turn, end phase, GB2 my Vanguard. Tuck 2 into the soul. Draw, counter charge.
Pass.
Stand and draw. I stride. Into Machine Destroyer.
Oh. Why not just use it?
I'm not Zoing.
No, GB8.
I don't have that in here, I only have Zoa.
Oh, damn.
Going to call 2 out. Nah, no one's tried. Let's do the smart play. Call. Call again power. Skill. Stun the Vanguard and Blaster Blade in front row. $31.
No, great.
Check. First. Second. third power. I don't heal.
Damage check, Alfred early. Well, it took an extra third game, but yeah, that worked. There we go. Half an hour. That's a good time to end there.
I just felt like that game 2 was stolen. Really good. That heal. Ouch. That soul charged heal. No, I stole it for myself because I misplayed. That's kind of what happened.
Yeah, I think I still would have been fine though.
Maybe, but it would have at least changed some of the things I hit or didn't hit.
All right. I'm Joey.
I'm Jacob.
Oh, there you go. So Premium Blasters. We are Cardfight Crazy. Hope you're crazy too.